What is going on, everybody? It is your guy James Raw. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys 4 easy ways to style the brand new Electro Orange Air Jordan 1s that just got released actually about a week or 2 ago. These kicks right here just looks gorgeous. It looks amazing. I think a lot of people actually slept on these. Make sure you guys let me know if you guys were able to cop these. These actually got released on July 17th for $170 retail. And let me know, was this an easy cop for you guys? Hit me up. And also, don't forget to follow your guy on Instagram. It is James Raw at Instagram. The details are in the description below. Thank you guys so much. Now, let's get to the outfits. For outfit number 1, I actually went with a plaid quilted jacket. Now, I know what you guys thinking, like, yo, we in the middle of the summer, why are you bringing out jackets? The reason why I'm bringing out jackets because it's the normal thing to do. I don't know why people are afraid to bring out outerwear in the summertime. It seems like the only people that have enough courage to do it are like basketball players or celebrities. I think it is totally normal to wear a jacket just as long as you're wearing shorts in the summer. Like, I don't see a problem with it. Like, you do wear short sleeves in the winter, don't you? This jacket features a brushed cotton with a plaid pattern all over the coat. In the middle of the jacket, it does come with snap buttons. It has 2 pockets on the side and also has 2 chest pockets that come with snap buttons as well too. This jacket I actually got from Urban Outfitters for $79 retail. I couldn't just pass on this coat. I'm sorry, this coat looks amazing. I really love the mustard yellow and the orange designs that's on the coat. I think it mixes in with the orange sneakers really well. Now for the bottom, I actually got these 100% cotton shorts that I actually got from Primark. These shorts was probably like $10. They're very much in style. They are above the knee, and it also has a drawstring in the waist area as well too. Like I said, people, don't be afraid to bring out outerwear in the summer. Just as long as you're wearing shorts, you'll be fine. These outerwear pieces are very useful, especially if you're going to be out all night. We all know, you know, it's chilly at night. If you're going to a movie theater, if you're going to a steakhouse, these places tend to be a little chilly. You're going to be sitting there wearing your jacket and you're just being like, you know what, I see where James is coming from. I see where he's coming from. Outfit number 2, we are going with the oversized graphic t-shirt that I got from Spencer's. This shirt actually cost me about $25 and it was worth it. This is a yellow t-shirt with the orange and black Subline 1996 logo, which I think looks really dope. And on the bottom, we're going with slim tapered crop jeans. These are regular waist fit jeans. It does stretch and the bottom of the pants are tapered. The reason why I like tapered jeans because it is just so much easier to fold. I just think the cuffs look better as well too. And I knew I was going with a very loud graphic t-shirt, so I just wanted some plain blue faded blue jeans, just so the jeans don't take away from the shirt. You know, the shirt is the star of the day. These jeans cost about $25 retail and I got these from H&M. Outfit number 3, we're going with the seersucker button-down orange shirt. What I mean by seersucker, wow, just imagine saying that 5 times fast. The design of the shirt is like a rippled potato chip. And throughout the whole shirt, you do have stripes and boxy designs on it. And as for the bottom, these are some slim fitted joggers that I got from Zara. I think gray and orange just works amazing. And this type of outfit is something I actually got from LeBron James. I actually see him wear joggers and button-down short sleeve shirts a lot. He was basically the inspiration for this outfit and it just looks amazing. And For outfit number 4, we are going to go casual. For the top, we have a floral button-down short sleeve shirt. You can never go wrong with floral. Floral is very much in style. I don't care if you are a man, you are a woman, or you are a child. Floral just looks dope. This type isn't an ordinary orange. It's like a lighter version of orange. Almost look peach, by the way, but it's still orange. And it also has navy blue boxes in the shirt as well. As for the bottom, we are going to go with chino shorts, navy blue to match the shirt. I think this outfit is an amazing monochromatic look. It still works well with the sneakers, and you know, if you're going on a brunch or something like that, or you want to go with a casual look, this is like the perfect outfit to do. So there goes my 4 outfits for the Electro Orange Air Jordan 1s. Make sure you guys let me know in the comments, what outfit do you love the best? Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I see you guys when I see you. Peace.